God comes down in human form mainly to lift humans to the level of God. It is an act of supreme compassion. As Swami himself once described it, it is like a mother bending down to pick up her child and holding it close to her. Swami no doubt actively encourages the chanting of the Vedas. At the same time, he is equally insistent that mere chanting would not do. Rather, in the true spirit of the Vedas, one must see God everywhere. And the best way to get started is by actively getting involved in selfless service, that is, to see service to society as service to God. Thus it is that many decades ago, Swami launched the Sri Sathya Sai Seva, or service organization, first on a national and soon on an international scale. When Baba introduced service as a mission objective, he told the service volunteers, Seva Dals as they were called, always perform your service, seeing God in the one whom you serve. And after completing your task, do not talk about how your service has benefited others. Instead, you should ask how performing the service has improved you.
Yes, Sai Baba is God in human form. There is absolutely no question about it, because he himself has said so on many occasions. However, has he not told us so many times in fact that we too are God? He always tells us, I know I am God, but you do not. And that is the only difference. Why is it that we are not aware of the fact that we too are God? That Swami has explained is because of our spiritual ignorance. And how do we get rid of that ignorance? By paying attention to the message of Bhagawan Baba and following his teachings as best as we can.
సత్యాన్ని మీరు ప్రపంచమంతా చాటాలి.
Share, propagate this truth all over the world.
అందరి యందు దైవమే ఉన్నాడు.
God is in everyone.
దైవం ఉండటమే కాదు, నీవు దైవ స్వరూపుడవు అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని మనం వాళ్ళకు దృఢపరచాలి.
God is in you and you are God. Strengthen this fundamental truth.
ఈ సత్యాన్ని మీరు చాటినప్పుడే ఇదే నిజమైన సేవ.
When you propagate this truth, that's a real service.
ఈ సేవని నిజమైనటువంటి సన్నిధికి కొనిపోయేటువంటి నావ.
It is the service that will take you to closer proximity, a boat.
ఈ సంసారమైన సాగరంలో ఈ యొక్క నావ అనేటువంటి దానిని ఆధారం చేసుకొని మనం సన్నిధి అనే పెన్నిధి పోయి చేరుకోవాలి.
In this ocean of life, take the help of this boat and gain the proximity.